unrequited love, unattainable love. This poetry began in Provence in the Middle Ages, and it was updated into Pyramus and Thisbe, Romeo and Juliet, Tristan and Isolde, West Side Story, and this is my updating of the poem. La Belle Dame Sans Merci, The Woman Without Mercy. Natalie Klein of Bath Beach, Brooklyn, 1953. La Belle Dame Sans Merci. Natalie Klein gave herself to every boy but me. Natalie, Natalie, La Belle Dame Sans Merci. I turned the age of 13 in 1953, the rage, torrent of blood in my veins, raging my arteries. Natalie, Natalie gave herself to every boy but me. Natalie, La Belle Dame Sans Merci. Gentle waves lapped the rocks of Gravesend Bay, Ali. Gulls swept up the wind and turned, drifted toward the sea. Natalie gave herself to every boy but me. La Belle Dame Sans Merci. Yes, there was a date etched in memory. The Lois Oriental, I took her hand from here to eternity. I touched her shoulder in the dark, touched her neck, she turned away from me. The waves lapped up the misty shore, drifted toward the sea. She placed her hand, her ivory hand, on someone else's knee, stalked my dreams, branded my dreams from here to eternity. Deborah Kerr wrapped her thighs, clung to the man, drifted out to sea. Natalie gave herself to every boy but me. La Belle Dame Sans Merci. I walk along the shore now, cuffs roll my ankle, roll up to my knee. Lashed to the mast, the siren's call from the misty sea. Helen of Troy, Magdalene, the gray mist of the sea. The dreams of youth, the lies, the truth drift away from me. Oh, Natalie still gives herself to every boy